Yeah, here's Hurricane Matthew from my bedroom window here. Yeah, just a lot of wind and rain. It's about 5, almost 6 p.m. So we'll probably still be getting rain all until about 8, and then maybe even later than that. But I mean, who knows? Right now, lucky to still have power. I guess it's just time to make it a movie night tonight. While we still have power. And yeah, even the trees holding up, so that they pretty good. You can see on the road right there how that wind is really blowing. So that wind is serious, very serious.